Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about home, family, and living this life that God has so graciously blessed us with. Our channel is full of content that I hope encourages you, inspires you, and most of all helps you on your journey. Be sure to hit like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you will get notified every time new content is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every video. Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. I just wanted to let y'all know my husband made the best crock pot chuck roast tonight. He went to town today and he bought chuck roast on sale, and we have paid better prices, but thanks to inflation, they were on sale right now for $4.47 a pound, and he bought some today. So I'm going to tell you what he made, and then I'm going to try to and the side that I made to go with it, and then I'm going to break it down by price, and I'm going to leave you with some pictures at the end. So for roughly $15 tonight, we have 2 meals. We used 2.5 pounds of the chuck roast at $4.47 a pound. That came out to about $11.17. Then I had a half of a 1 pound bag of baby carrots that was on sale for 98 cents, so 50 cents. Then he bought an 8-ounce package of mushrooms for $1.12 today. We put a little bit of onions in it that I froze from that onion haul I had. Okay, so add maybe like 50 more cents, whatever. Okay, then he bought a bunch of little 1 pound bags of the little red potatoes, small red potatoes. So 1 pound, my side, that was the roast. Then one pound bag of little red potatoes was $1.99 a bag. Then I took those and I made loaded smashed potatoes. So you add all that up and it was roughly $15. Okay, just give or take, up at a few cents for 2 meals. And it was so good, y'all. This is why I tell you shop the sales. So there's you a good little crock pot meal, and a side to go with it. We had chuck roast with onions, mushrooms, and carrots. Okay, so I broke that price down. If I forgot something, I'll put it in the description box below, okay? I'm tired. I've been making Christmas candy all day. I've been dipping all Christmas candy all day. So I'm a little tired, so I'm kind of frazzled right now. And then I had a sugar rush. So let's see. And then I made the loaded smashed potatoes. So there's a meal for us 2 nights in a row, roughly $15. And like I said, I have paid better prices for chuck roast. He does the meats. He's better at that. Hey, we have paid better prices. I remember when it was like $1.99 a pound for chuck roast. Yeah, with inflation right now, this is about as good as it's going to get. So when they do go on sale, grab them. So there's you a crock pot meal. And I think he cooked that roast and the vegetables on high for 4 to 5 hours. We checked it, okay, because we got a late start putting it in the crock pot, so we needed to cook it on high. But you can do it on low for 6 to 8 hours. It didn't take long for me to do the loaded smashed potatoes. I'll insert some pictures at the end of this clip, and I'll show you the instructions of how I did it. So there's your good crock pot meal, y'all, and it was on sale. $15 for 2 meals. You can't beat that. Okay? You can't beat that, at a restaurant. You might can fast food. Well, no, it's got to where fast food is expensive now. But there you go. There's a crock pot meal and a side to go with it. And roughly $15 for 2 meals. So I hope y'all enjoy this. Just stay tuned. I'll show you how I did this loaded smashed potatoes. Let's catch you in the next video.